What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to get this back to school slick back look. These are for the days when you get tired of your hair and you need a super quick slick back look to get to do this. So the first thing I would suggest doing is slathering your hair up in coconut oil just to kind of like give your hair a barrier of moisture between the gel. So then you're going to want to part your hair off. So I'm going to go fix my part and be back. It's time to start to section your hair. What you want to do is you want to get a cup of hot water and you want to get a soft and a hard bristle brush. You're going to take the brush, you're going to dip it in the water. You're going to take it and just start to lightly brush over your section. So what this does is this smooths and wets the section in the same motion. This is the Eco Styler gel in olive oil. I'm just taking a little. I'm gonna start to just smooth it on that section of my hair, just on like the roots. You're gonna kind of have something that looks like this. I'm gonna take this side section and split it in half. You're gonna repeat the same step. Is just to take some edge control. You're gonna take the edge control and just use it to get down any flyaways before you brush it down for a final time. Pulling my hair back, taking one of my hairs. So I only wrap it around 2 times, and then I'm just going to take it and pull it into a bun with a second hair bow. The second hair bow, and then there we go. It's just a super easy, quick like go-to hairstyle for school. And then from here you can slick your edges down. It's a super slick and super sleek and smooth style that anybody can do for school if you're running late. So yeah, I'm gonna do my edges. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Be safe, be blessed, be humble. It's a cruel cold world out there, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Cheers.